Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 42 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we are doing exercise 59.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So exercise 59, we are also learning to change directions of the voice and the registration. So be sure you know where those turning points are so that you're not clunking around in your throat. And just as a reminder, you can breathe every measure if you need to, or you can breathe every couple of measures, which is what I will do in the example. And here is exercise 59. And I'm just gonna give you a little tip. As you go up and as you re-onset on the higher pitches, try breathing through your nose before the onset of the upper pitch. Breathe through the nose. Breathe through the nose. Breathe through the nose. Breathe through the nose.